Hey Jaguars, welcome to Counselor Connection with your school counselor, Mrs. Mann. Today we're going to spend some time together in our feelings exploration room. Let me show you how it works. If you'll take a look up here at the number 1, if you'll click on the picture below, it's going to take you to a story time today in Counselor Connection. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to watch a movie clip from Inside Out. Maybe you can guess how some of our characters are feeling today. Then move down to number 3, the I Can hand. And this is to remind you about one of the things that we're working on as a school this year at Jefferson. That we're learning how to be in control of self. I'm going to be in control of me, and you're going to be in control of you. And we do that by pausing, breathing, focus, move, and sometimes seek support when we need that. Then we're going to move up to number 4, where today we're going to spend some time learning a new breathing technique. And then we're going to move down to number 5, and we're going to spend some time giving you the opportunity to tell us a little bit about you. As you fill this out, you're welcome to make a copy of it, or it will allow you to fill it out on the screen. And this just gives you a chance to let us know a little bit more about you. You can print that off and you can turn it in with your homework on Fridays and Monday mornings, or you can take a screenshot of it and send it to me, or you can just share it with somebody in your family, just so that you can begin to tell somebody what's important to you. Also, I have a little extra something on here if you're looking for something else to do. It's a workbook for helping kids learn how to cope, and there's some pretty cool stuff in there as well. And then there's another link here for your parents if they like to get a little bit more information on feelings and emotions. And then up here, there's a little extra surprise that you might go in there and take a look. So I hope you enjoy your time today in Feelings Exploration Room.